What's up, everybody? Today, we're doing a review on the new Cheetos chicken sandwich from KFC. Stay tuned.
Look at this big juicy sandwich. It's so big.
So let's get started. They put them in these big old boxes today, and here's the sandwich. Look at this cool little box they put it in. You know what I'm saying? Check that box out.
Whoa! Look at this. There's some of these in there.
Wedges.
Time to open it up.
Yeah, let's just get up in this thing, man. I'm ready to see what's cracking.
Me too.
Are y'all ready?
Wedges.
All right. Okay. Wow. So here we go, y'all. You got yours open? So here goes
It
the
smells like Cheetos. I got the little box here.
Check it out, y'all. Check it out.
Oh.
Wow. And this thing is chunky. So it's got, I guess this is supposed to be Cheetos sauce. I told them extra sauce. They didn't even put extra sauce on there.
Oh, I got extra sauce.
Oh, you did? It's got mayo, Cheetos on there. It looks good.
I'm just going to take a bite.
Let's do it. Let's just take a bite.
That is good.
Man, that thing is juicy.
Juicy.
That thing is juicy. That's pretty good.
First bite, it's already delicious.
That's pretty good. Honestly.
I'm going to keep on going.
Wow.
Good.
It is good, ain't it? I am surprised that this is actually that good.
So I got some honey mustard and ketchup for my wedges.
These bad boys.
Whoa! Daddy, look at this long one.
Slap me some of this hot sauce on here. Where the ketchup at?
I got some ketchup. Go peel some of the honey mustard.
Check this out, y'all.
Ooh, that honey mustard looks weird. Guys, look.
That's how it's supposed to look.
I never saw honey mustard that looked like this before.
Yes, you have.
No, I haven't. As long as it's good.
How's them wedges taste? Pretty good.
Wow. Look at this one, Daddy.
Got me old cherry Pepsi too, by the way, y'all. Shout out to KFC, man. Y'all did your thing with that Cheetos chicken. I'm about to get back to it though. Give me a second.
Me too.
One more look at the foot, y'all, man. I'll give y'all another look. They do look like you got extra sauce on yours. Man, they ain't put no extra sauce on mine. I'm about to try some hot sauce on this bad boy.
Hot sauce.
You know I love hot sauce.
I know that.
Whoa. It's like an explosion of Cheetos and chicken at the same time. You know we got napkins this time, y'all. Look, we ain't slipping this time. Man, this thing is fire. I can't even.
You said it.
I can't even lie.
It's the buyer.
Here you go with that word again. Who made that word up?
Me.
Buyer? Bomb and fire, right? Kids nowadays.
No, I'm right here.
You're invisible. I can't see you. KFC. KFC.
I love you. I love you.
KFC.
I love you. Wait, that's mine. Oh, no, that's not mine. That's
Mine.
delicious wedges.
Let me get some honey mustard in this bad boy.
I got honey mustard over here.
I'm gonna see what this honey mustard tastes like with this sandwich. If I can get it open.
You're just trying everything with that sandwich.
Man, that
Trying to
sandwich,
make it better.
that sandwich is good by itself. Like, it's good.
I know. I'm even eating it by itself. Go to the closest KFC in your neighborhood and taste this.
Y'all need, yeah.
Delicious.
Y'all definitely gotta come taste this. Y'all ready, y'all? Here we go.
Guys, look how much I ate.
She's smashing that thing.
I ate more than Dad.
You eat fast.
I don't know where I get it from. But
Wow.
it's definitely not you.
That honey mustard gave it another type of flavor, but it's good. Wow.
I got an idea.
What now? Oh, you gonna put some wedges on your sandwich?
Dip some wedges in my honey mustard. I'll put the wedges on it. Idea just exploded in my head. About to try it.
Let me know what that tastes like.
If it tastes good, I'll tell you.
I'm waiting. Lord have mercy.
Go try it now.
It's good. Well,
Oh,
y'all,
it's good. It's not good.
it's not good.
It's 5.
It's fire. I feel you. Well, y'all,
We're done.
I mean,
Well, we're not done.
look, if y'all thinking about trying this, it's a good idea. The sandwich is good. I mean, like, the little Cheeto seasoning and the Cheeto crunch with the chicken. I mean, it's got a good taste to it. Plus, this is a big, thick piece of breast.
It's good.
I'm gonna give this sandwich a
100. A million.
a best out of 10. What are you gonna give it?
10.
10? I'm going with a 10. I rarely give stuff a 10 out of 10, but this sandwich gets a 10 out of 10.
Me too. I really do 10 out of 10. And this is a 10.
Go try this. Stay tuned in for more food reviews. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button if y'all haven't done so already. Comment down below and give us a thumbs up.